If your phone's never had a sketchy app, you're probably feeling bulletproof. Most people think that as long as they avoid suspicious downloads, their devices are safe from prying eyes. But the reality is, there's a lot more going on behind the scenes than most of us realize. But hackers know a few secrets. They're not just looking for easy targets. They're constantly searching for new ways to get around even the best defenses. And sometimes, they don't need you to install anything at all. Let's crack them open. Let's bust a myth. Hackers don't always need dodgy apps to track your phone. In fact, some of the most advanced techniques don't require any software on your device whatsoever. It's not just about malware or viruses anymore. Some pros, like ethical hackers, use legit tools called SS7 exploits. That's tech speak for sneaking into the networks your calls and texts travel on. SS7 is a global signaling system used by mobile networks, and if someone knows how to manipulate it, they can intercept your communications without ever touching your phone. Imagine the postman reading your mail before it hits your letterbox. That's how SS7 works. It grabs your info as it moves through the system. Your messages, calls, and even location data can be exposed, all without you noticing a thing. Then there's SIM swapping, where hackers convince your provider to hand over your number, letting them hijack your calls and messages. No app needed. This trick can give them access to your two-factor authentication codes, bank alerts, and more, putting your entire digital life at risk. Even public Wi-Fi can be a trap, letting hackers sniff out your private info. When you connect to an unsecured network, it's like shouting your secrets in a crowded room. Anyone listening can pick them up. So if you think you're invisible, think again. Staying safe means understanding these hidden risks and being proactive about your security. For pro help, check our pinned comments and video description. We've got resources and expert advice to help you lock down your digital life. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. And stay tuned for the next one. Your privacy is worth protecting, and we're here to help you every step of the way.